Hey guys, it's Audrey. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little iPad tutorial of how to get fonts onto the Procreate app so that you can make yourself some awesome little prints and quotes and everything. This is sort of the process I use to make some of my Instagram quotes. So if you don't already follow me on there, then go check it out. I will link it in the description and put the little iCard right here. So yeah, here on the screen are just a few of the prints I've done, just little quotes. Some of them I've drawn, some of them I've used, some like fonts that I've downloaded and then transferred to Procreate. So I'm just gonna kind of do a simple guide of kind of everything. So let's get started. So I'm gonna first kind of start by going just into the Procreate app. Yeah, you can see here some that I've just kind of messed around with. And then basically if you have this, you know that you can go here and then have a canvas of any size. I usually like doing square just so that for Instagram it's like perfect, you know what I mean? So here we go. You just have a blank canvas, and then basically to add text, you're going to click the little settings button up here and then click the add button. And then you can see down here, it says add text. So you can just go ahead and do that, and then you can type whatever you want, any little messages. But you can see, obviously, it's in just a generic, you know, font. And we want to kind of spice it up a bit. So what you can do is just highlight this, and then click the capital A, lowercase a button right here, and you can see that it comes with all of these like default fonts, just like very simple basic fonts, but to get the ones like the one I used for the like vinyl hoodie that I made on my channel, then I'm going to show you how to download those right now. So first just go to Safari and then type in the font just like this, and it should pop up. I don't know if you actually say it like the font, I don't know, don't judge. I think that's how you say it. But then basically it'll take you right to this. You can even see some right here, and this has like a ton of fonts. You kind of want to know which ones you're looking for, or you know, Google it, I don't know, because or else you'll just be sorting through like so many different fonts. There's like so many. So some of my favorite ones that I've used before, I like the one called Keep On Truckin'. So you can just search that in the search bar, and then it pops up right here. And then basically to transfer this to Procreate, you're going to just click this download button right here, and then click download, and then you can see that thing just kind of popped up right there, downloads, and it's right there. So then what you're going to do is just tap on that, and then it will take you to your Files app. You can see I already have some that I've used before, and then you see you just have this little zip file, and you're just going to tap on it, the one that you just got. So I just got the Keep On Truckin' one. So, and then it just opens up a new little file that has the TTF. So now you're set, and you can go back to the Procreate app, and you can see this button that says import font. You're just going to tap that, and here it'll take you to your downloads, and then here you can see the newest one, the Keep On Truckin'. So you just go ahead and tap on that, and then tap on the TTF, and then it should have downloaded. So you just go to all of your fonts, and it should be right here. Yay! So another one of my favorite fonts is called Royal Acid. This one is not on the DaFont website, so I just had to look it up, and this is kind of what it looks like. This is actually what I used for like the header of my YouTube channel. That's the font, if anyone was wondering. So this is the same thing, it's just on a different website called Urban Fonts, And like, yeah, the font isn't the only website you can use for this. There are like so many different ones, including urban fonts. So you can just go ahead, find the download button wherever it is on the website, and then just click download. Same thing will happen. It'll download as a zip file. Go ahead and click this right here, and then it'll pop up. I don't know why it says Rolling Stone. I don't know what's happened, but just tap it, and again it'll take you to your downloads, and then you can see the new Rolling Stone. Where is it? The Rolling Stone zip right here, the zip file, and then again you're just going to tap it to basically unzip it, and then now you have a new file right there. So you go back to the Procreate app again, and I'm just going to type out Royal Acid right here and highlight it, and then go back to your little capital A, lowercase a button thing going on. Tap import font, go back to your downloads, and then you can see the new Rolling Stone one, which is the Royal Acid TTF. Just don't know the difference between these. I'm just gonna tap it, and then you go over to your fonts, and it should be there right here, Royal Acid. So there's that one. And you can just repeat this process over and over and just do even more fonts. Recently our iPad just like broke and shut down, so we literally lost all of our Procreate canvases, which is so sad because I didn't save them anywhere. They're just gone forever, so we can have to redo a ton of stuff, but it's okay. But in that whole process, we also lost all of the fonts. So now I'm having to re-download all of them again. So that's why I'm making this tutorial, because I need to do this anyway. And then I'm not gonna go into detail on these ones, but here are just some other ones that are pretty vibey. This one, New Romantic, so it's kinda hot. This one, just like a handwriting font. And yeah, these are some cool ones. And then again, you just download it the same way I did the other ones. And then to keep it simple, I'm just gonna kind of write out the same exact thing I did for the hoodie. I'm gonna link that in the description and in the iCard if you wanna see that. So I'm just gonna write "love that for you" because that's what I put on the back of the hoodie. And then you just kind of wanna edit this however you want. You can see you have all these options, the leading and the baseline. That's what I'm gonna change just because I want those a little closer together. Just like that. And then you can click done. You can move this around wherever you want. And then you can click the little cursor button and make it bigger and smaller. Turn on snapping so that you can have it exactly center, which is really helpful. So like that, oops. Just like, there we go. And then that's perfect. And then if you want to change the color too, you could either just drop pink into each of the letters, which can take a long time if you have a lot of letters. Or what you could do is go to your layers and then add a new layer, tap it, and then click clipping mask. And then now what you can do is just get your brush and like literally draw on it. Or you can just drag this and bam. And then another thing, just to kind of clean that up, you can just merge those just like that, grip them up, and then now it's just one whole piece. Woo. And then again, one way, I'm just kind of gonna make a full-on quote here just so you can kind of see what I do in this process. Just drag this to the left, yeah, drag it to the left, and then click this duplicate button. And then what I like to do is add another layer, do the clipping mask thing again, and make it either a darker color or a lighter color, and then I just do that. Merge those. I'm gonna put this one underneath, and then just click the cursor thing. I'm gonna take snapping off, and then you can just move it slightly to the side or slightly down, just like that. And that's pretty much all I have for you. Just kind of the basic tutorial of how to download fonts to Procreate, and then how to just make a simple design. If you want more videos like this with the iPad and digital art, then let me know in the comments so I know to make more videos that you guys like. And if you have any questions, if I didn't explain anything enough, then please also let me know in the comments, and I will help you with that. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later. Bye!